Hello, I'm Kamper. This is Philosophy 215, Philosophical Issues. This semester, I wanted to implement a few different things. I had a few goals. The first one is to redesign my grading policy and practices to be more equitable to students. So I've implemented a specifications grading system, which I will tell you more about in a second. I have personalized the course by putting in some videos, and I have increased my data gathering intervals by offering more regular anonymous surveys throughout the course. So let me take you to the course right now and show you what these things look like. This is my landing page for students. It's a getting started page. Here in the past, I've only included text. This year, I'm including an introduction video. So you see that it outlines a little bit about who I am and why I think philosophy is so important for all of us to study. And I've included a video about the specifications grading system so they can learn about that system from me directly while they're looking through the syllabus. If you go to course resources here, you will see an assignment specifications folder. This is where you can see most of, I think actually all of these specification sheets for this particular class. So in this system, students either get credit for assignments or they don't. And if they don't get credit, then they get a chance to revise and resubmit the assignment until they get credit. Um, and the idea here is to give them lots of opportunities to keep learning. And they have to meet every specification listed in order to get credit. So here's an example of a specification sheet for discussion posts for this particular class. It opens in a Word document. In future semesters, I will change that so that they don't have to click around so much. But here, and this is true for every specification sheet, you get the purpose of the assignment, you get particular specifications, and you get reminders about what to do to fulfill those specifications. Specifically here, you need to make a philosophical move, and you need to be kind and considerate of your classmates. In addition to doing all of these very specific things, um, like writing a post that is between 300 and 400 words long. If they don't do these things, then they don't get credit again. If they do them, then they can get credit and they move on to the next. Also in this particular folder, I've included a video, again, to make it a little more personal, but also to walk them through what specifications look like in the grade book. It's set up a little differently than traditional grades are. So I want to make sure that they are able to keep track of the different assignments and whether they've met the specifications for them. This process has been a really good one for me. I typically, most semesters, talk about teaching in passing with other colleagues, or I talk about specific issues that I'm having with someone, but I rarely sit down and talk with someone over the course of several months about the bigger picture of what I'm doing in the classroom. So it was really nice to be able to talk to the instructional design team, specifically Katie in this case, to get some good feedback about how I can improve the class. I'm most excited about the grading policies and practices, specifically seeing how students respond to them at the end of the course, whether the success rate for this class increases, whether it decreases or stays the same. From my point of view, I've enjoyed specifications grading quite a bit. It's been a lot of work on the front end, but I think it's motivating students, or seems to be, in the right sort of ways for this class this semester. If you have any questions, want to talk to me about anything, my name again is Kamper. Feel free to email me. I'm happy to share lessons and talk about what it means to be a good teacher here at Wake Tech. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.